Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the circle. On the next two slides I provide the lyrics of a rap song about the circle. Enjoy. And here are the next three verses on the next slide. And on the next slide we have a brief lesson about the circle. So we have two problems here, and that's what the lesson is made up of. So problem 1, on a number plane, draw the circle x squared plus y squared equals 16. Now, when the equation is presented in this form, specifically if we have x squared plus y squared on the left-hand side exactly like that, that gives us some very important information, and that is that the centre of the circle is 0, 0. That is very, very straightforward. So because of that situation there is the centre of the circle. Second question, what is the radius? For the radius, we look at this number here and we take the square root of this number. The square root of 16 is 4. So the radius is 4. So we put our compass point on 0, 0. We go out 4 units and we draw the circle, and that's exactly how it's done for this particular example and for any other examples that are similar to this one. For problem 2, it looks a little bit similar to problem 1, except this part here is just a little bit more involved, but it's not that difficult. Let's find the centre first. We're going to find the centre of the circle first. All we do, we say, what value of x does this have to be so that the value inside the grouping symbol is 0? You can see straight away that x has to be 4. So the x value here is 4. Go to the next one. What's the value of y? So the value inside the grouping symbol is 0. Y has to be 3. So there we go. And we have the point 4, 3. And that is the centre of the circle. So you put your compass on 4, 3. Now what's the radius? Similar to problem 1, it's the square root of this number, which is 5. So you put the point of the compass here on 4, 3, and you go out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places, and you draw the circle. And it's that straightforward. So I'll move on to the next slide now. So Maths with Jacob has attempted to integrate mathematics, English and music by providing a rap song about the circle. I'll move on to the next slide now, where you can click on the link if you want to do the worksheet.